Find a comfortable position in your bed. Lying on your back, side, or stomach, whichever way feels most natural and supportive tonight. Make sure the room is dark, cool, quiet, the perfect environment for sleep. Take a long, slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. And now let it go slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension with that breath out. Again, breathe in deep, hold for just a moment, and exhale slowly, letting your shoulders drop, letting your body begin to feel heavier. One more time, deep breath in, and as you breathe out, silently say to yourself, sleep now. Allow your eyes to close gently, or if they're already closed, just keep them comfortably closed. There is nothing you need to do right now. Nothing to figure out. Nothing to solve. Just allow my voice, your breath, and the natural heaviness of your body to guide you deeper. Now bring your attention to the top of your head. Feel a warm, gentle wave of relaxation beginning at the crown of your head, and it's slowly spreading downward. Let that relaxation flow into your forehead, smoothing away any lines, any tightness. It's into your eyebrows, letting them rest, into your eyelids, so heavy and calm, into the tiny muscles around your eyes, completely relaxed now. Let the relaxation continue down into your cheeks, your jaw. Allow your jaw to feel loose, teeth slightly apart, if that's comfortable. Your tongue resting softly. No need to move it at all. Feel the relaxation flowing down the back of your neck, releasing any stored tension there. Across your shoulders, letting them sink deeper into the mattress. Down your upper arms, elbows, forearms, wrists, hands, all the way to the tips of your fingers. Notice how heavy and limp your arms have become. They're almost too heavy to lift. And that heaviness feels safe, pleasant, perfect for sleep. Now let that same warm relaxation move into your chest, your upper back, your stomach, softening, settling, your lower back, melting into the bed. Feel it flowing down through your hips, your thighs, heavy, warm, sinking deeper. Your knees, relaxing completely. Your calves, loose and heavy. Your ankles, feet, toes, all letting go now. Your entire body feels wonderfully heavy, as though you're floating down into the softest, most supportive cloud. Deeper and deeper with every breath. As you continue breathing slowly and naturally, imagine a soft, gentle staircase in front of you, only 10 steps leading down. Each step takes you twice as deep, twice as relaxed, twice as ready for sleep. In a moment, I'll count you down from 10 to 1. And with each number, you'll step down, feeling more peaceful, more sleepy. 10. You're stepping down. Body is heavier. 9. Deeper relaxation. It's spreading everywhere. 8. Mind is becoming quiet. Still. 7. Letting go of the day completely. 6. Safe. Calm. You're drifting. 5. You're halfway there now. You're so comfortable. 4. Your eyelids are too heavy to open, even if you tried, even if you wanted to. 3. You're almost there. Sleep is so very close. 2. You're now deeper than ever before. 1. You're fully relaxed now. Ready for deep, peaceful sleep. Now imagine a warm, golden light surrounding you, protecting you, comforting you. This light gently dissolves any remaining thoughts, any leftover tension. They simply drift away like clouds moving across the night sky, leaving your mind clear, quiet, and empty. With every breath you take now, you go deeper into natural, healthy sleep. Your body knows exactly how to sleep. It has done this perfectly many times before. And tonight, it will do it even better. You can allow yourself to drift, float, sink into the deepest, most refreshing sleep you've had in a long time. Any sounds you hear, any thoughts that float by, only carry you deeper into rest. From this moment forward, whenever you want to sleep deeply and easily, you can simply take 3 slow breaths. Say silently to yourself, "Sleep now." And your mind and body will respond instantly, returning you to this same calm, heavy, peaceful state. For now, there is nothing left to do. Nowhere to go. Just allow yourself to drift deeper and deeper into perfect, restorative sleep. Sleep now, deeply, peacefully, naturally.